everyone, I'm Zach. And I'm Sara. Today, we're going to make a National Day inspired dish. That's right, we're going to make Panna Cotta. And because it's for National Day, we're going to color it all red. Red? No, we're going to color it all white, just like my outfit. An all white Panna Cotta? That's just silly. Whoever heard of an all red Panna Cotta? It did be pearly white. Red, white.
One eternity later.
After a long discussion, we have chosen a recipe for a red and white Panna Cotta. Do you know that this is MasterChef winner Mr. Derek Chang's recipe? Really? So that makes us Junior MasterChef. I'll stop daydreaming lah. Let's go shopping. MasterChef Derek's almond milk Panna Cotta. We will need the following ingredients: almond milk, almonds, milk, whipping cream, sugar, gelatin powder, fresh strawberries, lemons, and mint leaves for garnish. This is how to make MasterChef Derek's Panna Cotta. For the strawberry compote, add sugar to strawberries and let it sit in the fridge overnight until the strawberry liquid is out. Then cook in a saucepan with lemon juice until it becomes jammy. For roasted almond milk Panna Cotta, roast the almonds in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius until toasted. Add toasted almonds into milk and blend. Let it infuse overnight. Then pass it through a fine sieve lined with cheesecloth to remove all almond bits. Mix bloom gelatin powder in 10 grams of milk. Add the infused almond milk that you have prepared overnight. Another 120 grams of almond milk. Whipping cream. Sugar, bloom gelatin, and heat in a saucepan, stirring constantly. Once melted, set aside. For plating instructions, pour the almond milk Panna Cotta into a glass cup and let it set. Add strawberry compote and garnish with fresh mint. Wow! This looks amazing! I can't believe you made the MasterChef recipe! It's a simple recipe that you can do at home with your family. If we can do it, so can you! Now comes our favorite part! Eating!
Hey, you two, who's going to do the washing up?
Want to stand a chance to win e-shopping vouchers for your family? Simply choose a recipe from the Families for Life website and recreate it with your family. When your amazing dish is completed, showcase it on social media and hashtag FFL Red and White Recipes 2021 and hashtag I Choose Family Time. Have fun with your family, and we can't wait to see what your family has created. Cooking and baking as a family is a great way to spend quality time and create special memories in the kitchen. National Day is also a time to bond with our loved ones and treasure special family moments. Show your love for Singapore with your red and white dishes. Psst, and don't forget the prizes! Happy National Day!